Okay, so I don't have a lot of time today, and I'm here for just a few things. A really cute sweater dress type of thing. I hope I come across that fast because I only have like 30 minutes. Ooh, perfect. Perfect length and everything. Ooh, and it's nice and cozy. Yeah, that's perfect. This would be so cute on my friend Raquel. Ooh, she would slay that. Hi, baby. I find lots of fast fashion, and occasionally I pick it up. This is so cute. Señorita. Okay, so I'm gonna go look at the skirts really quick. And jammies. Oh my god. Woo! Perfect. And now I just need a silk number. Ooh, y'all see that color right there? As soon as I spotted it and I seen how big it was, I was like, yes! I need it. Gotta have it. I'm all out of time now and I really gotta hit the road. I gotta go. We gotta get on the road before it's too late. Damn, I never have just looked at a dead plant like this. But isn't this corn beautiful? All the textures and colors. It just flowed in the wind. This place said they didn't have as many pumpkins as they normally do because of the drought and the weather, but they had quite a few. The girls are super excited. Try again. Go slow. Yep.
That one's a little tiny.
That one don't eat a lot, but that one do. Hi, girls. They wanted their dad to put them on here. They've never done something like this, and it was an epic fail. They got on and were excited, but that was short-lived. If a picture had 1,000 words.
It's still there, see?
I definitely see a path like this in my near future for my garden. I mean, it's so serene. I don't know how I feel about the perfectly manicured lawn aspect of it, but it was peaceful, it was serene, and it was definitely inviting. And that's the feeling that I want for my big garden. One of the reasons we come to these type of places so often is because we love the peace that it brings. The fact that it makes you come down from whatever you may be feeling and just appreciate and capture its beauty in the moment. I do record quite a bit when I go to these places, but trust me, I take my moments, my little pockets of moments, and I just enjoy them when I have them. And all of those little moments combined is like one big, fulfilled, and grateful moment that I have. We always try and teach our kids what they're visualizing, what they see when we're out in nature, so they have a full understanding of ecosystems, how things work normally in nature, and also how they work when they're man-made, like botanical gardens and things like that. We allow them to just be free and to capture their own little moments in these type of environments, because it's special and it's meaningful and it'll last them a lifetime. The koi pond might have been one of the kids' favorite spots. It was almost like they didn't really want to leave, but we had to, obviously. This one in particular had so many different steps to different areas of the garden, and for some reason all I kept reflecting back to was our own steps and the path that we create for the life we want to live. Like, we're not born with steps and a path, right? We have to create that path and those steps. And that's our own personal journey. Everyone's stones look different. Everyone's paths look different. But that's the beautiful part of being human and growing.
I wait for the morning light to shine through to keep you warm, although I'm gone. One last glimpse of you before I'm closing the door. Seconds away from breaking, I'm losing this war. Letting you go, letting you go. I'm waving my white flag, 'cause you will be gone, gone, gone. Oh, spirit, sing, choose wisely, dear. You still got time. Yeah, we're the lucky ones. Living every day like it's our very last. Hear them sing.
Challenging myself to vlog was a thing, but you know what? I did it, and I'm gonna get better, and I actually really enjoyed it. It was quite peaceful watching back the memories that I created. Very special, and I'm so grateful to have you here watching little glimpses of my life. Thank you, and I hope you come back next week.